As well as the normal desktop-based version, there is a Windows 8 app of Internet Explorer. It's much more efficient with screen space, so it's worth using if you're on a tablet or a laptop. To start the Internet Explorer app, tap on its tile on the start screen. It will always start from your last browsing session. Once it's loaded, the address bar will disappear and you will see that there's nothing to get in the way of the web page. This gives you lots of space, but it might be a bit confusing. Don't worry, as it's very simple once you get the hang of it. There are no immediately visible icons for forward and back. Instead, move the mouse to the left-hand side of the screen to reveal the back button, and to the right to reveal the forward button. Alternatively, right-click on the page away from any links or images and use the buttons on the edges of the bottom bar. Tabs are not immediately obvious either, but are accessed with a right-click. Right-click anywhere that isn't an image or a link, and the list of tabs will appear at the top of the screen. Click on an existing tab to switch to it, or click on the plus icon to open a new tab. The icon with the 3 dots can be used to close tabs or to open an in-private tab. The latter option will be greyed out if you're a limited user and activity logs have been enabled. To favourite a site, right-click as before to make the address bar appear and click on the pin icon. You can pin it to start, which makes a tile appear on the start screen. Edit the web page name if you want and click on Pin to start. Otherwise, click on Add to Favorites. Finally, the spanner icon has a couple of useful functions. The Find On Page lets you search the page for some text, and the View on Desktop opens the web page in the traditional formatted Internet Explorer on the desktop.